friends, welcome to Shine Academy. Please subscribe the channel Shine Academy Shyam Sundar for more videos. Today we are going to discuss one problem in the chapter trigonometry for the class 10th. That question is: express sin theta in terms of all trigonometric ratios. Can we express one trigonometric ratio in terms of all trigonometric ratios? Yes, it is possible with the help of these formulae. They are trigonometric identities and reciprocals of trigonometric fundamental trigonometric ratios, and also tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. With the help of these three, we can express sin theta in terms of remaining trigonometric ratios. See here. What are the identities? They are sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Second identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Third identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1, where theta is an acute angle. And reciprocals, sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta, cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta, cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta, tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. It is also equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is also equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. It is also equal to cos theta by sin theta. With the help of these, we can express any trigonometric ratio in terms of remaining all trigonometric ratio. For example, our question is: express sin theta in terms of all trigonometric ratios. First of all, the first trigonometric ratio, sin theta. Sin theta is equals to sin theta. Now we are going to expressing sin theta in terms of cos theta. Sin theta is equals to, this we can get by from the identity number 1, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. From this, sin square theta is equals to transposing cos square theta right hand side. Transposing cos square theta right hand side, we will get 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Taking square root on both sides, then we get square root of sin square theta is equals to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. So which is equals to sin theta is equals to, we'll get 1 minus cos square theta. So we have expressed sin theta in terms of cos theta. Now sin theta, we are expressing sin theta in terms of sec theta. Sin theta is equals to, from this second equation, under root of 1 minus cos square theta. What is the second equation? Sin theta is equals to 1 under root of 1 minus cos square theta. So sin theta is equals to under root of 1 minus cos square theta. In this cos square theta, we can replace the cos theta as 1 by sec theta. Then this expression, right side expression will be changed in terms of sec. Cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta, so that cos square theta is equals to 1 by sec square theta. By doing LCM, sec square theta is the LCM. So sec square theta into 1, sec square theta minus 1. So separating the square root to the numerator and as well as the denominator, then we will be get under root of sec square theta minus 1 by square root of sec square theta. Here the square and root will be cancelled. Then we can get sin theta in terms of sec as under root of sec square theta minus 1 whole by sec theta. Next we are going to expressing sin theta in terms of cosec. So sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta, because sin theta and cosec theta both are reciprocals to each other. Definition of sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cosec theta, definition of cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse by opposite side. So that sin theta can express it in terms of cosec theta as 1 by cosec theta. Now we are going to expressing sin theta in terms of tan theta. We can use this third equation. Sin theta we have expressed already in terms of sec theta. So sin theta is equals to under root of sec square theta minus 1 by sec theta. So here we can write this under root of sec square theta minus 1. It is equal to the tan theta. You can get it from the identity number 2. That is, from this sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Transposing this tan square theta right side and 1 left side. So we can get sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. So if you apply the square root on both sides, square root of sec square theta minus 1 is equals to square root of tan theta, so tan square theta. Square and root will be cancelled, so the tan theta is equals to under root of sec square theta minus 1. So you are replacing under root of sec square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Next, denominator is sec theta. So this sec theta also we can write, we can get from this same equation. Transposing this tan square theta to the right hand side, we will get sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Then taking square root on both sides, square root of sec square theta is equals to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Here this square and root will be cancelled. Then sec theta is equals to under root of 1 plus tan square theta. So replacing this sec theta by that under root of 1 plus tan square theta. So here we have expressed sin theta in terms of tan. Next we are going to expressing the sin theta in terms of cot theta. See here, sin theta is equals to, already we have 1 by cosec theta from equation number 4. Then we can write it is 1 by cosec theta. 1 by cosec theta we can express in terms of cot theta from the identity number 3. Transposing minus cot square theta to the right hand side, we will get cot square cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. By taking square root on both sides, this square and root will be cancelled on the left side. Then cosec theta is equals to under root of 1 plus cot square theta. So here the denominator we can write it as 1 plus under root of 1 plus cot square theta. So we expressed sin theta in terms of cot as 1 by under root of 1 plus cot square theta. Like this, we expressed sin theta in terms of all trigonometric ratios. Not only this sin theta in terms of all trigonometric ratios, we can express any trigonometric ratio in terms of remaining all trigonometric ratio. We can with the help of these all formulae.